Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma, TGT Science and student. Today we are going to discuss the chapter called Crop Production and Management for class 8th. So we all know that all the living organisms, they require food for their life processes and activities like digestion, respiration, excretion, etc. Plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but the animals, including humans, cannot make their food. So we are dependent on plants or other animals for our food or nutrition requirements. So in order to provide food for a large population, we need to produce, manage and distribute the regular production of food. So in order to provide food for a larger population, we need regular production of food, we need proper management of food, and we need proper distribution of food. The science which deals with the growth of plants and animals for human use, especially for food purpose, is called agriculture. So agriculture is a science which deals with the growth of plants and animals for human use. Agriculture includes soil management, that is cultivation of soil, because we know that the food we are growing in the form of plant is grown on soil. So cultivation of soil. Crop farming is growing and harvesting of crops on soil. So agriculture include, first is soil management, second in crop farming, third is horticulture. Now horticulture is a branch of agriculture in which the fruits, vegetable, flowers and decorative plants are grown and harvested. So we have studied two kind of sciences here. One is agriculture, which deals with the growth of plants and animals for food purposes, and horticulture, which deals with growing and harvesting of fruits, vegetables and decorative plants and flowers. Now one is animal husbandry, which deals with the breeding and raising of livestock, including poultry, for food purposes. So here what is happening, the main science of which deals with growth of plants and animals for food is known as agriculture, and along with the grain production, agriculture is also dealing with horticulture, that means growing and harvesting of fruits, vegetables and rearing and breeding of livestock for food purposes. For example, poultry, anything non-veg which you eat, breeding of that, including fishes, we eat chicken, to poultry, eggs, all that comes under animal husbandry. Now agriculture practices. First of all, agriculture practices are done on soil. So fields are the land where plants are cultivated. So fields are the land where plants are cultivated, and the same kind of plants which are grown at one place on a large scale, it is called crop. So if I am growing one plant of wheat in my pot, that it will not be called crop unless I am growing the wheat plants in a larger scale. So crop are the same kind of plants which are grown on large scale. Different type of crops like cereals, vegetables, fruits, etc. can be classified on the basis of season in which they grow. So what we have done, we have classified different crops according to their season in which they are grown. In India, climatic conditions like temperature, humidity and rainfall vary from one region to another because it's such a huge geographical area. So variety of crops grown in different parts of the India are different. Based upon the season, the crops are divided into two types. So crops can be classified into two types depending upon the season on which they are grown. First is, on the basis of season, crops can be classified into kharif crops. Now, Kharif crops are also known as summer crops, and these crops are planted in summer months from April to June, and then they are harvested in autumn or winter from October to November. So, Kharif crops are also known as summer crops. These are planted in summer months from April to June and harvested in autumn or winters from October to November. Examples are maize, millet, sorghum, sunflower, groundnut, rice, cotton, mung bean, mash bean, etc. Whereas the another type of crop which is classified on the basis of season is Rabi crops or winter crops. So these are the crops which are planted in winter months, for example from October to November, and are harvested in summer months from April to May. Examples are wheat, barley, oat, canola, lentil and chickpea. What are the difference between Rabi and Kharif crops? Kharif crops are called monsoon or rainy season crops or summer crops, whereas Rabi crops are called non-monsoon season crops. These crops are grown in hot and wet conditions, whereas Rabi crops are grown in cold and nearly dry conditions. These crops are sown in the beginning of rainy season in June, July, whereas in Rabi crops, these crops are sown in October, November when monsoon is retreated. Kharif crops are harvested during September, October at the end of monsoon. Example rice, maize, groundnut, soybean, etc. And the Rabi crops are harvested in March, April before the advent of hot season. Example wheat, barley, gram, mustard, linseed and pea. The major crops which are based on their usage can be divided into food crops, cash crops, plantation crops and horticulture crops. So we have studied two classifications here. One was on the one was based on the season, and this one is based on the usage. So crops which are used as food crops for or food purposes will be called food crops. For example, wheat, maize, rice, millet and pulses. Sugarcane, tobacco, jute, cotton, oilseeds are called cash crops. Tea, coffee, rubber are called plantation crops, and fruits and vegetables are called horticulture crops. So this was the introduction of agriculture, crops and the classification of crops. Thank you so much.